U.S. bans all Russian oil and gas imports.
Last Ukraine story.
Benchmark North American oil price topped $125 U.S. a barrel on Tuesday. Gas prices. This is going to continue to trend in this direction. The U.S. is not a huge importer of Russian oil.
It's mainly us, right?
But it doesn't
Alberta?
matter. Well, we got oil, but it's complicated.
Oh, are we sanctioned?
The oil sands, there's like a refinery aspect. It's got to get shipped, refined, bought, and sold. It's a lot to it, but it doesn't matter because it's all about this symbol. And there had been calls on the U.S. to increase their restrictions on Russian anything. So U.S. President Joe Biden announced a ban on Russian oil and other energy imports on Tuesday. Retaliation for the invasion of Ukraine. Biden made the announcement at a press conference in the White House Roosevelt Room, saying Russian crude oil, natural gas, and refined products made from them will be denied entry to the U.S. starting immediately. Americans have rallied to support the people of Ukraine and made it clear we will not be part of subsidizing Putin's war. So a lot of people have taken this position that in order to fully not support the war, and I know there's been statements from politicians in Ukraine saying, hey, you are directly funding the death of Ukrainians if you're shipping any funds back, if you're a part of any of the revenue streams heading into Russia. The U.S. imported roughly 200,000 barrels a day of Russian crude oil last year and about twice that much of refined products like fuel oil and other distillates. That's about 10% of U.S. barrel imports a day. So it's not the majority, but it's not nothing. 200,000 barrels a day.
Still something.
Yet the administration says it's confident it can find alternative sources without any undue additional pain on the U.S. economy. I saw some Canadian politicians saying, "Get our pipeline going. We'll rig you up. We'll figure out that 10%." And also, apparently, he was trying to get on the phone with Saudi Arabia, and he's like, "Yo, I need 10%. I got 10% volume here that I need to replace." I also saw some sort of. I don't want to go on the record, so I'm going to say this off the record.
Okay.
But I was like, "That's not how this works."
Yeah. I don't know.
He's like, "Lou, just so you're aware, there's a microphone in front of your face, and you're facing a camera, so there's nothing." No, I think it was a tweet that I saw that. And it was probably pure speculation that Saudi Arabia wasn't picking up the phone.
All of Saudi Arabia.
That's me tapping the top of my coffee mug, which is my new signal for
Drum roll.
conspiracy theory. Not picking up the phone. Curious, dare I say. Curious.
Yeah.
That was just, I'm a guy on Twitter. I'm a man. I'm a Hugh man.
Yeah, unfortunately, if people were thinking that gas prices were going to get lower, that's not the case.
Yeah, where was the graph that you were just showing? Bring it up there. Was it gas prices? There you go. Oil price or oil prices, but obviously that trickles into gas prices. Highest point since 2008.
Ooh, and 2008 wasn't fun.
Mo trying to recollect on his 2008.
Yeah.
What was I doing? I bet you were having plenty of fun in 2008.
Yeah,
that's right.
fun.
I don't think, but you're right. Not a lot of fun for a lot of people, but here we are, 2022. I don't think that was on your 2022 bingo card, but it doesn't matter.